What's the meaning of cling film? Cling film. Cling film.
Cling film. Cling film. Cling film, also known as plastic wrap, is a thin and transparent plastic material commonly used for wrapping food items in order to keep them fresh. It clings to itself and to the surface of the food, creating a seal that prevents air and moisture from getting in or out. This helps to maintain the quality and flavor of the food and prevents it from spoiling quickly. Cling film can also be used for covering bowls, plates, or containers, and for wrapping leftovers or sandwiches.